Today I'm making a quick and easy Mediterranean-inspired tuna spaghetti. It's summertime in LA, which means it's super hot, so I love quick, easy, and delicious recipes, and I love the bold and bright flavors in Mediterranean ingredients. Not to mention all the health benefits in omega-3 fatty acid-rich foods. Now, if you like this recipe, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get to it.
Start by cooking your spaghetti until al dente and make sure to reserve half a cup of the pasta water. While the pasta is cooking, let's make our sauce. I'm roughly chopping 4 to 6 cloves of garlic depending on their size. Heat a large pan on medium-low heat. Add in some olive oil, the garlic, and I'm grating in a quarter of a white onion, but you can also dice it. Sauté the onions and garlic for about 30 seconds, then add in the red pepper flakes and sauté for another 30 seconds. Turn the heat up to medium and add in the tomato paste and cook that down for about 2 minutes or until the paste develops a nice deep red color. You'll then deglaze the pan with your white wine and let that alcohol cook out of the sauce for about 3 to 4 minutes, and the sauce will reduce by a little. Add in salt, pepper, dried oregano, and onion powder, and add in the whole San Marzano tomatoes with the sauce, and just use your spoon to break the tomatoes apart into smaller pieces. I'm adding in some fish sauce, which is optional, but it gives it great umami flavors. I normally add in Kalamata olives or green olives, but I had black on hand, but feel free to experiment. I'm using tuna that's in olive oil, but you can also use canned salmon if you prefer. Just make sure to drain most of the oil and add the 2 cans of tuna. And it's totally okay if a little bit of the oil gets in, but you want to drain the majority of it before adding it in. When combining, just try not to break up the tuna. The consistency of the sauce is really nice when you have the larger chunks of tuna. Add your spaghetti back in and gently combine, and this is where you can see if your sauce is saucy enough, and you have that reserved pasta water if you want it silkier, but mine was perfect. I also like to top it with some freshly chopped parsley, and the finisher for me is fresh lemon zest. It really brightens up the dish and it adds a citrus note, and it's delicious. And there you have a delicious meal that's ready in 30 minutes. Plate it and top it with some more parsley and lemon zest and dig in.
Delicious. Adding that lemon zest really adds some brightness, so I would really recommend adding a little bit at the end. Chef's kiss, it's delicious. Let me know how you like it in the comments.